Welcome to another lesson of Hijazi Arabic 101. In this lesson, we're looking at negative pronouns in Urban Hijazi Arabic. Negative pronouns are words that allow you to express things like I am not, he's not, she's not in one word, meaning that the word or the word not or the negative aspect is already included in the pronoun itself. So, let's take a look at those pronouns. The first one is مني. مني. مني means I'm not. مني. The second one is منت. منت. منت is you, masculine or not. منتي. منتي. منتي means you, feminine or not. Maho. Maho. He is not. Maho. Mehi. Mehi. She is not. Mehi. Mahna. Mahna. We are not. We are not. Mahna. Mento. Mento. You, plural or not, is mento. Mahum. Mahum. They are not. Now let's take a look at some example sentences. مني فرنسي. مني فرنسي. I'm not French. ما أنت جاي المدرسة. You are not coming to school. ما أنت جاي المدرسة. ما أنت في البيت. ما أنت في البيت. You, feminine or not at home. محمد ما هو معايا. محمد ما هو معايا. محمد is not with me. محمد ما هو معايا. ما هي مستاهلة. ما هي مستاهلة. It's not worth it. ما هي مستاهلة. ما احنا عارفين ايش السبب. ما احنا عارفين ايش السبب. We don't know what's the reason. ما احنا عارفين ايش السبب. ليش ما انتوا جايين. ليش ما انتوا جايين. You, plural, are not coming. Are you guys not coming. ليش ما انتوا جايين. ما هم أغبياء. ما هم أغبياء. They are not stupid. They are not stupid is ما هم أغبياء. It's important to note that these pronouns cannot be used with verbs. They can only be used with nouns, adjectives, participles, and prepositional clauses like أنا مني في البيت, which means I'm not at home. So, if you have enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next lesson.